Everyone, welcome back to another Connecting with Creativity. I'm Alex, and this week we'll be making coffee filter pumpkins. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna start by taking two coffee filters and we're kind of going to spread them out so that they're nice and flat. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the coffee filters together, stacked on one another. And then we're going to take a blunt object. So right now I'm using this back of a paintbrush, but you could also use a pencil or anything that's a little bit blunt like this to kind of start making your holes. So then I'm going to take two fingers like so on the back, and I'm going to start making my holes and go straight through the fingers in order not to tear the surrounding tissue paper. And we're gonna go ahead and do this all the way around, maybe 2 inches apart from each other. Perfect. Now we're gonna unstack them, and we're going to take our water and our paintbrush and get our paintbrush wet and take our watercolors, and I'm going to go in with a yellow first and really saturate the coffee filter. And then I'm going to go in with our orange and do along the sides. And then it kind of spreads out, and you have these beautiful blooms of orange and yellow, and it looks very nice. Now don't worry about it being even and lighter on some areas and darker than others. It will make it look more authentic later on, and it kind of gives it some interest, you know. And I'm going to start with our yellow again and add that to some areas. And then I'm going to go in with some orange. Once again. And start spreading it out. Perfect. And now we're going to go ahead and let these dry, and I will see you all back when they're done. So now we can begin stuffing and sewing our pumpkin. So you want to take 4 crumpled coffee filters, and you want to take the colorful side down, and you want to line up where the holes are and put our stuffing inside. Then we're going to take our string and something to kind of push the string through the holes with. So I'm going to be using this. And we can begin sewing our pumpkin closed. And I'm just going to cut this end again. You want to leave just a few inches on the tail. So you want to line up the hole with the string and just kind of push it through using whatever object you chose. And we're almost there. Excellent. So then we're going to take our shorter end and we're going to start closing our pumpkin. And then you're going to pull on the other end to kind of even it up. And you're going to have to resituate the stuffing inside as you're pulling it closed. And then we're going to take our stick, and right before we close it, we're going to stuff it inside the stuffing and pull our string tight. And then we're going to do a simple knot. And create a bow. And then we're going to cut off the excess. So I'm going to have a little bit to kind of look like it has vines. And I'm just going to spruce up my bow a little bit. Perfect. So here's our pumpkin. and our finished products.
Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week for another Connecting with Creativity. Bye!